So for this problem, again, more velocity and momentums. So we're left, first the values is that the mass is 10 kilograms, the big mass is 1 kilogram, and the V is 300 meters per second. So when we have the PI initial equals the P of the bullet plus the P of the big M, which is that block. So it's basically PI equals MB, the mass of B times the velocity of B of the bullet plus the mass of the M. So we have 10 to the negative 3 kilograms times 300 meters per second plus 1 kilogram. And we are left with times 0 since it's at rest, it has no velocity. So then when we simplify this, we still have to find what that VB is. So we have 0.15 on one side, 15I plus VB equals 0.3I, which is that value that we got from that PI. So we have that VB equals 0.3 minus 0.15, which VB equals 0.15. We have to multiply this by that 10 grams, because we did not do that earlier, and we're left with the answer being 1.5 meters per second.